Did you know that the Ganoderma Lucidum mushroom has over 200 phytonutrients and 150 antioxidants that can improve your health and well-being? In this video, I'll show you how Gano Excel provides a range of everyday products enriched with the powerful properties of this ancient mushroom. I'll also introduce you to our beverage and personal care lines, each featuring our exclusive Ganoderma Lucidum extract. Gano Excel owns one of the world's largest organic Ganoderma Lucidum farms, cultivating highly potent Ganoderma Lucidum and cordyceps mushrooms to enrich its daily use products. These products provide the natural benefits of Ganoderma Lucidum and cordyceps, promoting good health and overall wellness. According to research, Ganoderma Lucidum helps strengthen the immune system, oxygenates the body, boosts energy, detoxifies and cleanses, and combats inflammation. It also supports circulation, helps balance blood sugar levels, promotes cellular rejuvenation, enhances sexual vitality, fights allergies, improves sleep, and so much more. Gano Excel delivers the natural benefits of Ganoderma Lucidum to support your health and well-being in a simple, everyday way, helping you maintain a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Gano Cafe line. Gano Excel presents its Gano Cafe line, offering hot beverages and cereal in convenient packaging. Just add hot water to enjoy. Our Gano Cafe line offers popular cafe-style flavors like creamy 3-in-1 coffee, mocha with chocolate, and Tongkat Ali, combining Ganoderma with Eurycoma longifolia Jack for a boost in energy and libido. We also offer our classic coffee, a pure black brew. Our Gano Cafe line includes caffeine-free options like chocolate, a delicious hot chocolate, and red rooibos tea, and herbal red tea. Additionally, we have cereal, which is perfect for breakfast. All of our Gano Cafe products are enriched with our exclusive Ganoderma Lucidum extract. Gano Plus. Personal care line. Gano Excel also offers Gano Plus, a personal care line that includes Reskin, our collagen product formulated with our most potent Ganoderma extract. Gano Plus, grown on one of the world's largest organic farms. Reskin features high-quality marine collagen, Formosa rubijulis, also known as quinoa, spinach, and berries, which work together to promote enhanced collagen support. It's designed to help you feel better, enhance your appearance, and support overall health. You can further improve your daily wellness routine with Gano Plus, our latest innovation in nutritional supplements, boasting 10 times the potency of our original Ganoderma supplement. Thanks to an advanced dual extraction process, Gano Plus is ideal for those seeking a significant boost in health benefits. Finally, we have the Gano Daily line. Gano Excel provides personal care products through its Gano Daily line, a collection of hygiene items and dietary supplements. The Gano Daily line features fresh, a mint-flavored toothpaste, and Gano soap, a gentle bar made with goat's milk. Our newest product in the Gano Daily line, Reishi Touch, elevates your skincare routine with the power of nature. Infused with Ganoderma Lucidum, white truffle, chaga, and chanterelle extracts, this luxurious lotion hydrates, soothes, and protects. Shea butter, sunflower seed oil, and jojoba oil work together to nourish and revitalize your skin. Say goodbye to dryness and irritation. Embrace the gentle, transformative touch of Reishi Touch for radiant, healthy skin. Our daily supplements include Ganoderma capsules, made from the mushroom's fruiting body extract, Excellium capsules, extracted from the mushroom's mycelium, and cordyceps capsules, which contain 100% Cordyceps sinensis. As you can see, Gano Excel offers a simple way to enjoy the natural benefits of Ganoderma Lucidum and products that support a healthier, more balanced lifestyle every single day.
If you want to know more about Ganoderma and products, subscribe to our International Diamond Team channel.
If you have more questions, ask the person who shared this video with you.
Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and share this, and we'll see you next time.